Good day guys, in this one I'll show you quickly how to use Streamelements overlay in OBS. Alright, so just make sure to open up OBS, and as you can see, this is going to be our interface, and the adding process of your overlays, be it Streamelements or anything else, is actually quite straightforward. So the most popular method is just using a browser. So as you can see, I have this browser source already added. So what this is just a chat. So it's just a chat. So when I stream, for example, there are the messages being seen on the screen, and also the people's names and stuff like that being seen on the screen. So how do I add it, right? So if I go to properties, it's actually pretty simple. You just go ahead and click on this plus right here. Then you choose the browser source. There you go. You choose the name, make it visible or not, press OK. And the URL section is actually where you will have to post, and the important part is the address to which this source will be showing. Right, so basically this address is going to be the Streamelements address that will show a particular overlay. Then you choose the width and height if you wish, or leave it at default. Press OK, right? And this is going to be our overlay. You can just go ahead and drag it anywhere you want and change its position, size, etc. So pretty simple, guys. Enjoy the video and see you in the next one.